Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. I'm your Prajesh again, and in this video I would like to talk about the newly launched MG Gloster Premium Full-Size 7-Seater SUV. Morris Garages India have launched their new flagship full-size Gloster SUV in India, ranging from Rs 28.9 lakh to 35.3 lakhs. The MG Gloster essentially is a rebadged version of China's Maxus D90, which is also sold as the LDV D90 SUV in Australia. In terms of features, the MG Gloster is available in 4 trim levels, namely the Super, Smart, Sharp and the Savvy. The top spec Savvy variant will include a whole host of features, including all LED headlamps and tail lamps, cornering assist lamps, auto headlamps and wipers, auto dimming IRVM, 19-inch alloy wheels, panoramic sunroof, auto park assist, 12-way power adjustable driver seat with memory functions, 8-way power adjustable front passenger seat, triple zone auto climate control, ventilated front seats, massaging driver seat, auto park assist, intelligent auto start stop, air purifier with PM 2.5 filter, smart powered tailgate, heated and smart ORVMs, tire pressure monitoring system, 12.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system, iSmart connected car tech, digital instrument cluster and leather upholstery. Additionally, the MG Gloster Savvy variant also features advanced driver assist systems, which include adaptive cruise control, automatic parking assist, forward collision warning, auto emergency braking, blind spot detection and lane departure warning. In terms of seating options, the MG Gloster Savvy and Sharp variants will be available with 6-seat configuration with captain seats in the middle row, while the MG Gloster Super and Smart variants will feature a standard 7-seat layout. The MG Gloster Sharp variant, however, can be opted with either seating options. The MG Gloster SUV will be available with two 2-liter diesel engine options. The lower Super and Smart variants will be available with a single turbocharged engine that develops 163 horsepower and 375 Newton meters, while the top spec Sharp and Savvy variants will get a twin turbocharged unit developing a superior 218 horsepower and a torque figure of 480 Newton meters through an 8-speed automatic transmission. The twin turbo version will be available with BorgWarner's shift-on-the-fly 4-wheel drive system with selectable drive modes including snow, sand, mud, rock, auto, eco and sports modes. However, the single turbocharged version will be available as a 2-wheel drive only. In terms of safety, the MG Gloster, or rather the LDV D90 SUV, has been awarded a full 5-star rating at the Australian NCAP crash tests. Standard safety features on the Indian MG Gloster will include 6 airbags, all-wheel disc brakes, ABS with EBD, electronic stability program with traction control, hill hold control, hill descent control, auto vehicle hold, roll movement intervention, electromechanical differential lock, pre-tensioner equipped seatbelts, 360-degree surround view camera, driver fatigue reminder, heated ORVMs, electric parking brake and smart key access. Despite being feature-loaded and equipped with advanced driver assist systems, the MG Gloster has been priced at par with its rivals, such as the Ford Endeavour, Toyota Fortuner and the Mahindra Alturas G4. Prices for the single turbocharged diesel engine range starts from Rs 28.98 lakh ex-showroom for the Super variant and goes up to Rs 30.98 lakh for the Smart variant. The twin turbo range, on the other hand, starts from Rs 33.68 lakh for the Sharp 7-seater, with the 6-seater costing Rs 33.98 lakh, and the top spec Savvy 6-seater variant is priced at Rs 35.38 lakh. At this pricing, the MG Gloster seems like the best value for money full-size 7-seater SUV in the Indian market. Stay tuned for our detailed reviews of the MG Gloster. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this pricing of MG's new flagship 7-seater SUV. Meanwhile, this is Prajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.